Hey guys, just checking in, making a quick video. This week is going really good so far. I just got home from a writing lesson, which was awesome. And I wanted to show you guys a project that I was working on this week. Oh, I have to flip the camera around. Okay. So this is the project I was working on. It's on my refrigerator. And it's a sticker frame. And I wrote on the frame, well, I still have to finish it. There's gonna be a number that goes in there as well as there. But anyway, these little squares are all quick little exercises that I can do. And they're color coordinated. So pink, well, for the most part, pink is arms. This like kind of sea foam is legs. And then these white ones are cardio-ish. Some of them kind of overlap. And I'm going to get another color today to do like abs and different parts of my body. But anyway, my goal is to fill this frame up every day with these little squares. And that would be 20 exercises a day. And I can change these or add to them. I'm actually going to get more. I ran out today. Well, I ran out yesterday. And I'm going to make probably more like a greeny color for abs. And then that way I can just change up my routine every day. Every time I come to the refrigerator, if I'm going to even open the refrigerator, I am going to do one of these. And so far it's working. This is what I've done so far today. And it's only about 2 o'clock, so pretty good for where I am today. So I will definitely finish this by tonight. The rest of my refrigerator just has like pictures of me and what I am, well, what I used to look like and what I will look like again, hopefully soon, someday. It's another one of me dancing hula. So I have these pictures on here to remind me of what I am working for. Then my little exercises to help me get there. And my lovely little frame. So that's what my refrigerator looks like right now. And on the inside, really quickly, I will show you guys. I went shopping and I am totally stocked with good, healthy fruits and veggies. I tried to buy organic for the most part, but it is more expensive. And so yeah, that's what yes, I do have my wine. I need to have at least just one little glass a day. It's been like maybe half a glass. And then I got kimchi. I love kimchi. I'm Japanese, not Korean, but my auntie is Korean, and I heard that kimchi is probably one of the best ways for you to get a probiotic in your system. So yeah, I don't even know what's up. Broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, pickles, garlic, zucchini, celery, eggplant. Oh, what's that? Asparagus. Carrots, tomatoes, apples, lemons, and that's it. Okay, so that's my quick little video. I hope you enjoyed a look at my refrigerator. Hope you guys are having a great week. Talk to you later. Bye.